An officer conducts a traffic stop on a bike traveling on the highway without a license plate. During the traffic stop, the officer decides to remove the key from the ignition in order to prevent the bike from fleeing. Then this happens.
Driver, shut the motorcycle off. Get off the bike. Step off the bike. Get off the bike.
Is there a problem?
Yes.
What's the problem?
You don't have a plate.
Okay, so where were you?
Huh?
Where were you?
Behind you. The whole time. So get off your bike.
Definitely not.
Get off your bike, sir.
Are we in Sandy Springs right now?
We don't have to be.
Oh, the fuck we don't.
Okay, listen. Don't
Not touch. Fuck you up, bitch. Get the fuck
get
off
off
me.
your bike. Seriously, dirty. I got
You
one.
gonna give me my goddamn key back.
Back
What you
up.
gonna do? What the fuck you gonna
Back up.
do? What the fuck you gonna do?
Stop, sir.
You gonna give me my goddamn key back with your bullshit ass.
Put your hands on the car now.
You got no right to fucking pull me over, motherfucker.
Get on the ground now.
Why did you pull me over?
Because you don't have a license plate. Show me your hands. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Put your gun down. Put your gun down.
Get on the fucking ground.
Put your gun down.
Seriously, dirty
Gun
taser
down.
boy.
I have no weapons.
Get on the ground.
I have no weapons.
Sir, get on.
My arm is fucked up.
Excellent. Get on the ground.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Lay on the ground all the way.
Okay, so you're gonna handcuff me?
Yes.
You're gonna take me to jail for what?
Lay on the ground.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Put your hands behind your back.
My shoulder.
Okay, do the best you can.
Can I get off this thing right here? Look at this. It's a pin right here. Can I get off? Let's get back some.
Yes.
All right.
Keep your hands where I can see them.
That was my fault. That was my fault.
That was really dumb.
That was my bad. I agree.
Because you got to tell me what you're doing, boss. I don't know.
I know, my bad.
You're already pissed off at me as it is. You know what I'm saying? Put your hands behind your back.
It's doing the thing. Can I get it right here? I have no weapons. I have nothing.
Don't move. Are you talking about the pin needle?
Okay, look.
Don't move.
Look. Okay, you got it? And get this. Yes, thank you.
All right, it's not going to come off. All right?
I was in my clothes?
Yes, it's stuck to your jacket.
All right, come on.
Put your hands behind your back. Do the best you can. All right? Do not move. Do you understand me?
Yep.
230 code 10.
Seriously, 30 code 10. Do not move.
Check. Is he in custody?
Series 30, code 10, one in custody, start 810 for a motorcycle. Right one? Yeah.
Jack Officer 1 in custody, 1927.
Hold on, boss. I need to fix it, all right? And then I'm going to get you off the ground as fast as I can, okay?
07, keep 2 units from Sandy Springs and around. And copy. Put everything else back in service. Jack Officer.
All right, now listen to exactly what I'm going to say.
I'm with you.
All right? I'm going to grab you by your shoulders.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to roll you towards me.
All right, I'm ready.
All right?
240, I'll continue to.
Sit up. Stand up.
Daily responding in SUV.
Now listen, do you have any weapons on you?
Yeah.
That's nice right here. It's just a pocket knife.
Just a knife.
That's it.
All right, I'm staying in front of my car.
Here, come on, continue.
Right here.
Series 30 Jack. You can slow any units down. All right, listen, I got a tool. I'm going to pull that out, all right?
I'm with you. I'm with you.
You heard it all.
Jack, if there any further units 75 or whatnot, you can tell your response.
You understand, sir? The second I observe you in Sandy Springs gives me the legal right to do a traffic stop. This could have gone so much easier, boss. Listen, I ride motorcycles.
I'm with you.
And then when you unzip your jacket?
I'm 100% with you. I'm 100% with you.
Are you good?
I apologize.
It's okay.
I apologize.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, I'm serious.
I'm good. I'm fine.
Alright, spread your legs for me.
I just don't need to go to jail right now.
I understand that. Nobody wants to go to jail right now.
Do we have to?
Huh?
Do I have to?
Do you have to?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Huh? Well, let's start with resisting, number one.
No, come on, bro.
Alright.
Can you pick my phone up?
Yes, I'll get it.
I want you to call my wife. I need to put my finger in so go call my wife.
Yeah, I'll do it when we're in the back car. We're gonna have a seat. Hold on. Slide this out of the way. Alright, good, have a seat. Sit your butt first, it's the easiest way. And you said your shoulder hurts. So what I need you to do is sit your butt back, put your foot on that and slide all the way back, okay? It's gonna be the most comfortable for you. Seriously, there you go. You can lift the channel.
Jack, Sierra 230. All units resume normal traffic.
So we're gonna let's talk about this. I know it's all on camera. I know it's all on camera.
It is. Let's talk about it.
Okay. My bad. I didn't want you to I heard you. I just
I mean, you looked at me and you said no.
No,
You
I was
literally looked back and you said, hell no.
No, I was coming around the corner. I can't do nothing. I was like, man, what? I was just
That's
like,
a
what the
perfect
fuck?
spot to pull over.
No, it's not. Not for you.
Right, in that gore?
Hell no, man. This shit is small.
What is?
The little apron.
The gore area right there?
Yes, that shit was small.
You know my car's gonna block us?
No.
Or at least let me know you're pulling over. Like, whenever you would come up here, I knew you were gonna pull over. Like, I got that.
And part of
you
me,
actually let me know.
Part of me, I was like, man, fuck.
I'm surprised you didn't run.
No. In my mind, I was like, older me, yeah, I would have gone. It would have been easy.
Yeah, trust me, I know. I have a 2015 R1.
Oh yeah, I got a 16 too. Man,
I take that back. I'm sorry, I have a 16 R1.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
But I'm, oh man, I could die. I could do.
I know.
And doing dumb shit that I didn't mean to. So part of me, I'm just like,
I forgive you.
I'm like frustrated. Like, man, come on. Like, this is stupid.
Yeah.
To me.
And listen, I don't want to be on CNN. I don't want to hurt nobody. Right?
I agree. So I just, if this goes on the video, I was fucked up. No, and I'm being serious, and I'm being all honest.
I appreciate it.
I was like, I'm not gonna. Like,
I know the one taser hit your leg. Where'd the second one go? The one taser hit your leg.
It bounced off my armor.
Bounced off your armor?
Yeah. Okay. It's not even in. It's on my clothes.
Yeah, it's right on the base of your jacket.
Yeah. Right. So, yeah, I just didn't want you to. I was like, why the fuck are you touching my key?
Well, because I gotta make sure you don't run.
I wasn't running.
But I don't know that.
So that's what upset me. I was like, we don't need to do all of this. And I get it. I'm with you, and you know what I'm saying?
All right, so hear me out. This is why.
I'm with you.
Oh. That's good. We don't need it. You don't need it. It hit his leather. It hit his leather. He's good. Didn't hit him. Alright, anyway. That's my super brother. So, you have to understand, listen. When I shut your bike off so you didn't drop in gear and go. Okay? And then when I tell you to get off the bike 3 times and you refuse, is when I shut it off. Alright?
I was taking off my headphones.
You're mad at me. But I know you heard that.
You responded. I was like, hold on.
Alright, because you responded.
That's why I was like, hold on.
You said was, where the hell are we at? We're in Cobb County.
I did, after that. So, yeah, I was like, what the fuck?
And then whenever I grab your key, you want to try to grab me, not a good idea.
I just didn't.
Alright? It's alright, listen, I don't hold it against you. Okay, that's why I pick you up, I dust you off, make sure you're alright. Okay? We have medical en route, just to make sure you're okay. It's just precaution, we have to. So right now, just slide back, okay? I gotta go check your bike, I gotta check the van and everything like that. Do you have insurance?
Yeah. If you give me my phone, I'll pull it up right now.
Alright, where's your ID?
Again.
You got a license?
I do. Oh, hell yeah. It's right here.
It's in your chest?
Again, that's why I was like, again, upset and frustrated.
I got you. You gotta let me know.
Second one. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I know. And no. I don't care in this one. Yeah. I don't care in this one. Same reasons.
Slide back for me, alright?
Alright, I gotta put my fingerprint in for my phone.
Yes, I'll get it.
Alright, shit.
Jesus, you brace this leg right here?
I got it.
Slide back.
I'm good. I'm going all the way over.
That's fine.
Alright. And I was like, oh shit. I put my phone out. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
And then that's when you switch it down. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, when you started reaching in your jacket, man, I got to be prepared. Because you were already up here.
Not yet. No, in my head, and I'm sitting here, I'm like, man, I'm just getting my stuff in my head. I'm thinking I'm talking to you, like literally.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you're playing it out in your mind, but you weren't saying a word. And
yep. So, yeah. I'm glad you didn't have an itchy trigger finger. That would hurt.
I don't.
No, I'm so sorry. That was like, man, you guys are